A lot of you have been asking me what gear I'm using to vlog, and in this two-part series I'm going to show you some of the kit that I'm using to produce high quality and crispy audio vlog videos. The first thing I want to introduce you to, this was sent to me by Rode, it's the Rode VideoMic Pro Plus. I absolutely love this. In fact, the audio you're hearing right now is on a Rode VideoMic Pro Plus. Let's open up the box and I'll explain to you a little bit about what's inside it. This is such a versatile microphone. First of all, it's small, it's portable, it'll fit in your carry-on. It's just this stuff, let's get it out of its plastic case. So in here, you've got a Rode VideoMic Pro Plus. See how big it is? It's not that big at all, is it? And it sounds great. Now, obviously, when you're in a room with echo, you're going to pick up a bit of echo. A hotel room that's big and large, wide ceilings. Yes, you've got a little cable here that plugs into the Rode VideoMic Pro Plus and into your camera. And of course, you've got a high-power lithium battery that goes inside. This lasts for ages. In fact, during the whole of Vlogtober, we're nearly at the end now, I have not had to replace or charge this battery once. And of course, you can charge the battery really easily using a USB cable that is provided. So all in all, really good. Other features I really like about the Rode VideoMic Pro Plus include the fact that it's got an on-off button, but you won't need to use that because it's powered by your camera, and every time you switch the camera off, the microphone also switches off, which is key. It's got a high-pass filter, roll off the bass or the rumble if you're filming outside. You've also got a dB attenuator, so you can increase or decrease the volume on the mic, and you've got an LED that displays blue if the mic is powered, it's off if it's off, and it's red if the battery inside is running low. And you can just easily recharge. There's a nice little USB port in the side. So all in all, pretty much every vlog I've been using the Rode VideoMic Pro Plus. Saying that, I want to introduce you to a couple of other mics that I really like, also from Rode, and I'll probably be using these much more when I'm out and about, and particularly when I'm conducting interviews. First is the Rode Wireless Go. Now, if you haven't seen it, watch the video that I did just a few days ago testing out this Wireless Go on a beach in Southern California. It is awesome. More info in that video. You can also plug the lavalier Go in there for a more discreet look, as the Wireless Go has a black box that you attach to your clothing. The lavalier is very discreet and very easy to add. So some great ways there of getting great audio when you're on the move. The next thing I want to talk about is lighting, and this comes in such a small case, it's amazing. Now, I'm not an expert on lighting, but I did need to learn as I went, including shooting with the sun in front of me rather than behind me, so my face doesn't black out. But sometimes you need a little bit of extra help. This is the Aperture ALM9. Every product I'm mentioning in the description down below, by the way. And this just lights up like this, pop, like that, and wow, it's bright. It's the size of a credit card and it's super bright. Now, the way I like to use this is pop it behind something, behind me, just to add a little bit of extra lighting, an extra pop to the film that I'm producing, and I think it looks really good. Next, let's look at cameras and lenses. Now, I'm shooting on a Sony Alpha A6300, really awesome, slim mirrorless camera. Again, you can probably see this in the reflection in the mirror behind me, sitting on a tripod at the moment. It works really well. I have a couple of lenses. This one is a Sigma lens, and I use this for shooting all the B-roll. So all the B-roll you see me cutting to as I'm talking about products shot on that Sigma lens. When I'm vlogging, I'm using a Sony 10 to 18 millimeter lens, and it's really awesome. The 10 is super wide, so I can get in big scenes, or when I'm in a hotel room, I can zoom out really wide and fit in the whole room. And 18 gets nice and tight in on the face. So the lenses definitely make a difference. This one gives a great bokeh effect, and I really like both the lenses and the cameras. But when I'm on the move, for instance, I did a vlog from Disney. I took in just my Pixel phone, my Google Pixel phone, and the Pixel 4 was released just recently with a better camera, so the cameras are getting great. Whether you use the Google Pixel or the iPhone or something else, definitely the camera and the audio on phones are starting to get really good and sufficient for on-the-move, quick vlogging when you can't take a big camera setup with a huge microphone into a venue, for instance. When I'm editing my videos in Premiere Pro on a MacBook Pro. I've also used Adobe Premiere Rush as well, and watch a previous video where I show you exactly the spec of the MacBook Pro I have just picked up. Great thing about even the modern MacBook Pros is they have a headphone port, which is essential as I use AKG headphones to edit. These are fantastic. These are the K361 series, and they fold up, so they're easy to fit into your travel carry case, and you just unfold them, pop them out, and pop them on. like that. Studio quality, very, very comfortable, and you've got loads and loads of different cables in here as well, so you can have a huge length, no matter where you want to be in the room, you can wear these headphones. So the AKG K361, these were sent to me by AKG, by the way. They're very good and great for fitting in carry-on. Make sure to watch the second part of this video where I'll talk about recording audio in a noisy environment, interviews for instance on a conference floor, recording ambient noise, tripods, gimbals, and other vlogging gear that I've been using during Vlogtober.